Like a
No,
wolf.
no, what's the point of that bit there?
A big wedge, they do everything.
It's like Lincoln, isn't it?
Naughty. You know when you go to a pre-season game
There's three
and our
rows,
constabulary try to provoke you, wearing a certain badge from a certain team. Naughty that one.
What we got then?
I've got here is a
What
murder.
have we got?
I have here.
I do believe Kenton's eating again. There he is. The youth's eating again. Oh dear. Oh, what's he got? Let's zoom in. Is it as good as the jerk chicken you're about to see? Oh, we'll wait and see.
Yeah,
1-0 Blues. Hey, could finish that one, Stano. Welcome to Micky Eats his jerk chicken at your ground. Before I have a bite, let's have a look who's in the house, eh? Yeah. So we've got Kenton on his burger here, haven't we? Hey, there's Father, Kenneth. Hey, wait for the crime scene. We've got Welly here. And we've got Josh. No Billy.
No, Billy again.
No Billy again. Okay. Welcome to Micky Eats his jerk chicken at your ground.
the FBI are definitely fucking on this fucking scene.
To Alexander. Right, man. I've done ya. Hang on a minute. I've done ya.
We've got all the kids out there, haven't we? First thing at Northampton.